What's up, guys? So this video is going to be the proper way to use a carpet cleaning wand. There is a technique, and if you don't do it right, you're going to get callbacks, you're going to get spots reappearing, carpet's too wet, longer dry times, and with that comes spots reappearing and callbacks, and not a good reputation. So I'm going to be very thorough on this video. So just kind of watch the way the spray comes out and the extraction, the vacuum part of it. If you don't do it right, yeah, so check it out. Alright, so when I'm pulling back on the wand is when I'm pressing the trigger and laying down the water. So it's following the water and pulling it up to the water. So you're pulling it back and you're picking up that water as it comes back. The solution's ricocheting off the carpet toward the vacuum part of the wand. They're at an angle that's meant for that. Those jets are not pointing straight down. A lot of misconceptions. So they're at an angle, that way it kind of bounces off the back end of the carpet up into the wand. But you got to be pulling backwards when you do it, because if you're not pulling it backwards, as I'm doing here, you're not going to get the maximum amount of moisture out. It's not going to dry quick enough. The soil is not going to, well, when the soil dries, that's when you start to see those spots pop back up. Customers giving you calls back, but you're not rinsing it out. Okay, you're just laying down a solution. If you don't pull back while you're rinsing, okay, so I most of the time will hold down the trigger going forward and then backwards and then move over. Forward, backwards, move over. Forward, backwards, move over. And you know I'm going half, so I'm overlapping to the side, and I'm overlapping where I left off on the top. So see how I'm overlapping? Now if you don't overlap, you're going to get streaks in the carpet when it dries, especially if you're dealing with white carpet. Now I'm doing dry strokes. So dry strokes are really important. You want to get the maximum amount of moisture out of there, because like I said, if you didn't do a good rinse, you didn't vacuum out that water, it's just going to dry up to a hard, right, soil, dirt again, and you're going to start looking dirty. So this is to avoid callbacks. So a lot of us, when we're teaching how to carpet clean, we're not thinking about these little things that may seem simple to us, that we've been cleaning carpets for a long time, but for the new guys, you know, they need to know the details. You know, I needed to know the details. So a good rinse is very important. Making sure you're picking up the maximum amount of soil, ending up with the backstroke, and you're gonna have great results. Real quick, guys, if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course. Down below all my videos, there's a link. Not just the technical side of it, but the business side of it. How to get those customers to call you. Also, the tools I love and use, down below also. Now back to the video.